What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your low beam headlight bulbs on the 2005 Subaru Outback. This should be the same process for the Subaru Legacy of this generation. If it's not, it's probably very simple, but without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so real fast, I actually want to point something out. I don't know if this happens on all Subarus, but I noticed that when I had one bulb out, it actually caused the other one to go out too. If you have both out, it's likely it could just be one bulb. I don't know why it did that on mine, but just something to kind of keep in mind. Also, the way you get behind here is just a little bit different on each side, but I'll show you each side just so you have an idea of how to take it apart. All you're gonna need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver, or if you have like a little trim tool or like something to pop clips, that'll work too. Okay, so for the driver's side, you're gonna start, you have your little washer fluid reservoir, and there's a little clip right there, and it's a little screw, and basically you're just gonna pop that out and move the washer fluid reservoir top out of the way. Okay, so now that you moved your little reservoir out of the way, you have access to your low beam headlight bulb. There's a little plastic cover here that is meant to, I believe, keep water out. You just turn it and it comes off. Kind of like a seal to protect it from stuff. Okay, so to actually remove the bulb, there's like a little, it almost looks like a paper clip. There's this little silver metal piece. It's kind of like the spring that holds it in place. You're gonna come over here on the side where it's kind of coming up, and you push in and down, and that will open up, and then you can push that to the side and your bulb just kind of comes out. To actually unplug the bulb, you separate it where the silver is and the black is right here. And just like that, your bulb is separate. To put it back in, plug the new bulb into the thing. There you go. Then just move your little piece of metal out of the way. Push it in there. There you go. You'll feel it kind of fit and snug in. You won't be able to twist it. And you just get your little metal and push it right back on there. And it's in there nice and snug again. And then lastly, to wrap up, you're just gonna put your little cap back on. And on the cap, there's actually a part that says top. So that's the part that's gonna go towards the top. All right, and just like that, that's how you do it. We'll just put our washer fluid reservoir right back where it was. Okay, and then to get to the passenger side, you're going to want to move your little piece of plastic right here. I had a clip here, keyword had, and then there's one right here. You're going to have one right there, one right there. And you're going to get your flathead or your little trim piece tool, and you're just going to or most of it. You can just move your little plastic thing out of the way. And then once that's gone, you have direct access. There's your little plastic cover. And it's the same exact process as it was on the driver's side. You just take off your little plastic seal, and then your bulb's in there the same way. So unfortunately, I'm not going to show it again. To put your plastic back in, make sure it lines back up in there. There, just to put your two little clips back in, or in my case, one. I hope this helped you all out. If you have any questions or concerns, just let me know in the comments. And if you have any other repairs or installations or anything you'd like to see, let me know and I can do my best to try to help you out. Hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, be sure to subscribe, be sure to give this a like, and we will see you guys next time.